Good morning, friends. Here with my father-in-law on Father's Day, and we are installing sill plates for our little house here. So that's what's going on. Trying to get this right the first time, but because I got it wrong the first time I put the concrete in, we're fixing all that stuff. So it'll work. We'll be able to live here someday. All right, sill plate day. So what is a sill plate? Basically, it's the first attachment for framing of the house to the concrete. Chelsea's father and I started it, and basically we're just trying to make sure that everything's square and plumb, exactly where we want it. You going outside or inside? We got grass in it too, look at that, Chelsea.
Who put that grass in our house? So we can still line this up though, and then add it after, right?
Yep. Yeah.
So this can go
Like how that gas pick up.
Woo! This one.
Ready? Why are you smiling, Lauren?
Because Jasmine uses this bed more than Forrest does. Auntie has been tasked with dog watching. Like Forrest was back in this chair until I came out.
Woo! Got your hearing protection on?
No.
Thor! We're not getting this off.
Meow meow.
Meow.
Meow meow.
Who put that there? It wasn't literal. Who put all this stuff here too? Chelsea. Lauren, you need your muscles. I don't want the house to go anywhere.
It's never enough, Dad.
It's pretty tight, babe, but you can give it a shot.
For the purpose of photography, I must pull. Oh, it's good.
Let me try one more time. I'll pull. Okay, I think you can send that. Go. That.
Get on.
I'll take that.
Those cows, Jesse.
That corner, it's a thing of beauty.
Look at it!
Look at it.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
Really good.
You got these in the right spot, right?
Yeah, hopefully. We'll find out when we put the floor joists on.
Hooray!
No, I marked them, but like since we've done it, it might have shifted, you know what I mean? Good morning, friends, family. Yeah, still morning. So yesterday we got half of the sill plates down, and we started the second half. The second half is very difficult. All of it's difficult, but because I didn't find a third person to help with the concrete in time, and that's a whole story in itself. There's a lot of things I would have done differently in hindsight, but you know, you don't know what you don't know. So, but because we didn't have our third person, the concrete turned out, you know, but there's still some work that needs to be done. We rented a heavy hammer drill from Ace down in town, and so, but the drill bit they gave me is pretty dull. So what we had to do, we did one hole. Yesterday we got to do like 3 in each plate. There's like 20 holes I got to drill. So we had yesterday, actually it was my father-in-law who finished it up. I did the first hole, and then he took my drill. This is my hammer drill, so it's a lot smaller, but I got a new blade, a new bit. So he followed it up with that, and that was large enough to get the big old anchors in. I'll show you one of those in a little bit. But yeah, these things are beasts. This thing's not gonna go anywhere once we get it in. If we can get in, we can get it in, but it's just hard. So I start off with this one, this heavy duty one. My drill would probably get down in there. I don't have enough battery to probably get to all of them, and it would take a long time. So if I follow it up with my drill, it should probably be okay. I also have to figure out where the joists are gonna be on this other side, so I don't like, you know, put a hole where the joist is. So it should be fun. Let's go. Turned around and there's probably like 20 cows on our property. 4, 5, 6, I don't know how many. One was in the orchard. Yeah, so if you watch Chelsea's permaculture videos, then you'll know she's got an orchard down there. And we're waiting for our fence guy to come out and fence most of our property. We're not gonna fence all of it. If you ever need to scale some cows away and you got a leaf blower in your hand, I'd recommend you grab it. Turn it on. I didn't really like the sound of that. I can yell and stuff. They just look at you like a dog. A dog like, huh? Me? You don't get me? Or I guess like a cow, because they're cows. Shoot them away. That's a washer. He's not going anywhere. All right, so we've got 3 sides done. Just finished this side. Had lunch. It took a little longer than I wanted. So this was the long side. It's gonna take probably the rest of the day, probably into the tomorrow morning. I don't know, I'm just really slow. I'm trying to maximize the time that I have with the in-laws. I know they all have day jobs and stuff. I gotta get a lot of this stuff done before the weekend, because the weekend they can help me. So basically, I don't think I'm gonna take any time off for a month. It's like, you do what you gotta do. We gotta get this. I got a lot to do. I still gotta weatherproof this, backfill, you know, there's a lot. There's a lot, so ideally we get all that done before they leave, so. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna start thinking about how things I have to do and actually do it. The wind is going this way, so
While it's obviously been really great having my family here to help us while we're building, the best part is that we'll have all these memories of us building the house, but just when we get to live in it, once it's done, I will always remember the hard work and hilarious times and funny things that we said while we were building it. So I can't thank my family enough for all the things that they've done while they've been here.
Sill plates are down. I am exhausted.
Brian worked really hard today.
So tired. I knew I wanted to get it done, but yeah. So we just had a couple of problems. I mean, we're always gonna have running problems, but the big problem was that we rented the hammer drill, and the bits they gave us were dull.
Dull AF.
Yeah, but yeah, it was a good day. Chelsea and Lauren helped out at the end, and Fod helped out on a couple bolts.
Sledged a pipe.
Sledged a pipe. We didn't
Need.
use it, but
We did. Oh, not for that.
not for, yeah.
Yeah. No. In other news, as of yesterday, it's summer.
Oh yeah, it is summer here. So we had full daylight. I just now clouds in the air.
First cloud.
Yeah. Solar kicked butt, finally.
80 degrees in town.
Yeah, it felt like it here, shoot. Still got a lot of work ahead of us, but we have help, and
It's coming together.
it's coming together.
Building a house.
Yeah.
Who's whining? Kona. I guess Kona says it's time to go inside. Look at this dog. Look at her. Look at it. Look at it.
What do your dog eyes see, Kona?